Welcome guys, so today I am with this JBL wireless earphones and I'm gonna show you how you can move them to the pairing mode. So as you can see, in my case, they are not visible to my phone and they are turned on. As you can see, the indicator is right here. It's on the red, so it means the device is working. So at first we have to power off this device, this earphones. Click and hold this button, take a look on the indicator. When it blinks 2 times on the blue and then just turn off, it means that the device is turned off. The next step, click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking on the red and the blue quickly. Let's make it right now. Click and hold, take a look on the indicator, keep holding this button. As you can see right now it's blinking, so we can release that button, and right now you can turn off the Bluetooth and turn it on back, and after a few seconds we will get our headset, so we can just tap on it once and after that we will be connected with our phone. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.